Hello everyone. Now put all of the hair in the front, pull a comb through it, and then use another comb at the top of it as well. Now, after adding the second comb, twist the hair as such. Twist it 2 times to make it tight. After you are done with this, cut it at the lip level. Once you open it, it should have this opposite V-shaped cut. Now make vertical cuts into it to make it blend better. Do the same for the sides as well. Finally, this is what it should look like. Take the center portion starting off and then pull a round brush comb through it and then blow dry this portion of the hair. Do the same for the sides as well so that it adds a little bit of puffiness and volume to it. Once you are done with all of it, add all of the sections together and do it together. Arrange it and set the hair properly. This is what the final look should look like. Let it frame the face. Next, take a small portion of the hair from the center and then arrange it, cut it according to the eye level. Make a small slit in one of the sections. Do the same on the other side as well. Put it at more or less the same level. Now, cut right through it straight. Use the initial cuts as a measure. As for the side portion of the hair, cut it diagonally and let it frame the face accordingly. You may roughly cut it and then use vertical cuts to make it blend in better and add layers to it. And as you vertically cut through it, go higher and higher up so that there is a distinction between all the strands of the hair. Next, take the central portion of the hair and then take the middle part, cut it at around the eyebrow level. Now, taking the sides, that is the portions right beside the sides, cut it right underneath the eye level. Slowly move down and down as you go. Make them diagonal cuts to blend in with the other. Do the same for the sides. As you progress, continue to add vertical cuts through it as such. This will add layers and also make it blend in better. Finally, this is what it should look like. Take a hair straightener and then starting off with the center, puff out the hair to add volume to it. Section out the pieces of the hair and then do this. In the sides, curl it slightly to make it look all the more better and add more volume to the hair. This is what the final look should be like. Now for our next hairdo, take a small section of the hair and cut it at the lip level. Cut the other portions at around the chin level. Now make a diagonal cut through it to make it match the other section of the hair that you had cut. Do the same on the other side as well and then proceed to vertically cut it to add layers to it as well as make it blend better. Using a hair straightener, puff it out slightly so that it frames the face well. Now do the same on the other side as well. This is what it should look like. There you have it. Thank you for watching.